Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you in this new video. And today I'm gonna discuss on frontcam.com reviews. And this topic is becoming quite famous, especially in the United States. So let's proceed further and know more about this e-commerce sites. Before that, I request you that to like, share, and subscribe so that we can bring you informative news and reviews each day. So let's find out what is this website all about. This website consists of the products like summer hats for women, and the prices of these varied colored summer hats are $18.84, and almost all the hats price is same, which is something very much suspicious. As you can see, there is various number of hats present. And if you want to check out the payment mode, it is PayPal, which is mentioned at the bottom. Now let's click on to its shipping policy. Let's find out about the shipping policy. It's clear that one can receive the order within 5 to 15 days. Now let's know more about this website, and let's find out its legitimacy. So the first is the HTTPS. It belongs to a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when we try to find out its website registration on the WHOIS, it is found that it's just registered on 29 December 2020, which is quite recent. Now let's find out its About Us page. We need to scroll down, and here is the About Us page. Let's click onto it, and it has mentioned their number, that is 2731659, code is 551, and the email ID is support@francam.com. Now let's click on to its contact us link and find out if they have any additional information on this link. So here is the link. Let's click onto it. They have given an official address, that is 185 Prospect Ave, APT 17K, Hackensack, New Jersey 07601, United States. But when this address was pasted on the Google map, it does not have a valid authentication of the address. So this is a bit dicey. Now when you see, it has the social media icons present at the bottom, that is Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But it does not have good amount of traffic, which is again a bad sign. Now let's click on to the return and the refund section. It says that one can contact within 13 days after you have received your items. If you have any queries regarding return and the refund, you can mention that in the comment box as well. Also, the trust score of this website was found in other search engine, and it is found that it just have 1% as per the Trustpilot and Scam Detector search engines, which is again a negative sign. Also, if you talk about the customer reviews, it's missing on the official site as well as on the other site. So all the legitimacy checkpoints on the basis of low website content quality and the recent registration age and the prices are not variable, and which makes it very suspicious. It can be said that this website is very much recent and it is bit suspicious, and you need to grow let it grow for a while and see how much traffic it has. For now, do not invest your money on this website. If you have any thoughts regarding this website or experiences, you can mention in the comment box. If you have any queries regarding the return and the refund, you can click on a description area and get the links and find the way to get the money back. So stay tuned. Thank you very much and have a great day.